Wow, look at this NVIDIA chart. This is my long-term weekly NVIDIA chart. So we had the finish of wave one here, 154.60. Then we went down to 85. And then we're now in wave three on NVIDIA. So yeah, NVIDIA has a lot more upside. However, we need to just be careful because, we're in wave three and on the weekly chart. But, eventually we're going to get one, two, and then three, right? 4, 5. So that's kind of what we're looking for. Is we're looking for this wave 2 down on both the main market and NVIDIA. The main market is super overbought. It's too high. It's going to come any minute. So, yeah, but here's the cool thing. When NVIDIA does this sharp wave 2 drop to like maybe 150 or the 140s, you definitely want to take a long position. Like go long. That is going to be fabulous. So we just saw NVIDIA. NVIDIA was awesome. NVIDIA is awesome, and it's going to do a wave 2 correction. And on that wave 2, I'm probably going to put my entire account in NVIDIA and then walk away. But when is this wave 2 correction going to hit in these stocks? SPX, holy cow, we just keep going up and up and up and up and up. Oh my goodness gracious. It is slowing down. You can't see it so much on this chart, but the S&P is absolutely slowing down, right? It's absolutely kind of curving here. I have another chart that you can kind of see the curve better. On the futures, when you include all the data, then you can see the curve much better. So we're getting to the end. It's not going to go above 6,500. Sorry, guys, I cannot predict the end. The end could already be here. The whole market could start to fall next week. It's going to be August. Basically, any stock I have that makes a new high this week, next week, whatever, I'm going to take profits on, right? So any stock I have that makes a new high, I will take profits on that stock. And then I will wait and I will hold my money in cash until I see this wave 2 correction materialize in the main market and in NVIDIA. And at the bottom of that wave 2 correction, I will buy NVIDIA and maybe some other stocks, right? That's the plan. So I'm not buying anything anymore. I'm just harvesting profits from stocks that have profits. And then I'm waiting because, this is either going to go back. We're going to get back to 6,000. We could go even lower to 5. We could cover this gap here. So we have to wait. Guys, we have to wait. Yeah. So to repeat, I'm holding my stocks. I'm holding all my long positions. However, if SoFi and the stocks that I have discussed in this video end up hitting their targets, I will take profits and then I will wait for this wave 2. After this wave 2 hits, I will put all of my cash in NVIDIA. That's it. Thank you. So we have SoFi here, and I just think SoFi has a lot more room to run. I believe that we're dealing with a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, and now this looks like some type of wave 4. I'm going for a wave 4 upon $20. It's trying to find support on top of $20 so that it can test $25 or even higher. So I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, $25. And then you have 5 wave move up for here. Then you'll get some type of correction and it goes up. So yeah, I think long term you should just hold SoFi. Just long term, just hold it, ignore it, hold it. For traders like me, I'm looking for 25. I'm a trader, I look for 25 and then I'll look to buy it back. Because it looks like just a bunch of nested 1-2s. I just want to brag about my HSY call. Hershey's has done so well. We knew that this, you can see right here that this was an ABC correction, right? So we knew that we would be taking out 191.53. And that's what we're doing. And not only is that what we're doing, but you can even see on this chart, this is the weekly chart, but let's go to maybe 4 hours. You can clearly see a five-wave up move. So here was that ABC correction on HSY. Now we have wave one, we have wave two, we're in wave three, we're gonna go 4 and 5. And you're gonna get like into the low 200s on this. It's gonna be really fabulous, and that's a really nice five-wave move right here. And then we can reevaluate once we get this five-wave move to the upside. We can reevaluate, and we can see whether we want to keep holding Hershey's, because if this is the start of a new uptrend, right? So here's the daily chart. You can see we have this A, B, C, and now we have possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could actually go up to 300, but we have to wait. We have to wait. So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to maybe 210 or so, right? You're going to get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 210, maybe higher. You'll get around here. And then we need to reevaluate because there will be a correction, and we either buy it back on that correction or we don't, depending on how the main market is moving. So this is doing great. HSY is going to go over 200, over 200. Let's look at ALLT. Well, I bought ALLT at $8.40, so I am underwater. I am sad about that. However, I think it's a long-term hold, semi-long-term hold. Let's go to the weekly chart. The weekly chart is far more interesting. So we have this A, B, and C possible setup, right? And now we have what could be the start of a new uptrend on ALLT. So let's expand this here. So this is actually old. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. If ALT does not break below 430 to the downside, right? And if we go above that $10.78, this high right here, then yeah, you're probably going to see $20 on ALLT. And that's why I'm in it. That's why I'm in it, is because I have this as 1, 2, and now I also have this as a 1, 2. So I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to $20. All right. So yeah, that's why I'm in it. That's why I'm in it. Yeah,